anytime you use evidence in your writing, you always have to say something about it. And so we call this commentary, and we're going to look at how to do that. So your commentary, like I says, is when you say something about the evidence. You can't just throw a quote in your paragraph and move on, because if you do that, the reader can't follow your line of reasoning and come to a logical conclusion. So you have to make a connection back to your claim and help the reader accomplish that. This is not a summary. That's the biggest mistake people make in writing. You've already stated the evidence. You don't need to restate it in your own words. You need to tie it back to your claim. So here's some questions that you can use to help you do that. What does the evidence support? What purpose does your evidence serve? What are the implications of this evidence? So you can see in my example here how I've done that. So I've wrote this paragraph that is not completely finished. There would be more after this. But this is about the Dakota Access Pipeline. My claim is the Dakota Access Pipeline should not have been built because it encroaches upon the lives of the already displaced Native Americans for the benefit of big oil companies. So everything in my paragraph is going to support that claim. So here's my example. Remember, you give examples to go into more detail about your claim. So mine says, for example, the government has already stolen land, resources, and culture from the Native American tribes. The Sioux tribe has been reserved to this minuscule piece of land, and now the government wants to compromise that land. Now comes my evidence. I'm going to prove what I've stated. According to BBC News, they had argued that the project would contaminate drinking water and damage sacred burial sites. Now's my commentary. So I'm taking that evidence and I'm explaining what implications it has, and I'm explaining how that ties to my claim that the pipeline is going to hurt the Native Americans. So my commentary says, the tribe has already lost so much, and the pipeline will further destroy the quality of life and cultural heritage so oil billionaires can get richer. So again, that ties exactly back to my claim, and that's what you need to do in this commentary section.